You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
A veteran and an actress is a year older on the 10th of April. Veteran Yoruba actress Pedro Ogunmola has decided to celebrate her birthday in the best way she can, in spite of being compelled to remain at home because of the present lockdown in Lagos State to curb the increase of the deadly coronavirus. She decided to celebrate her special day by having a birthday dance in her sitting room and also with an indoor beautiful photo shoot she shared on her Instagram page. The actress wrote as she celebrated her birthday.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.